Hello, my name is Joe Nakamoto, and today I'm going to be unboxing and evaluating and reviewing the brand new Heatbit Maxi. This is the Heatbit Maxi. So this is a Bitcoin heater that, as it says in the name, it will also mine you some Bitcoin while keeping your home warm.
Not only does a Heatbit heat your home, but the Maxi can offset your bills by as much as $400 a year by pool mining Bitcoin.
And yes, I'm using a knife for theatrical effect in the hope that you will keep watching this.
Now, I love Heatbit, so much so that I invested in the company, and I want to see a Heatbit warming every home that's a little chilly.
This is the third Heatbit that I've used in my life.
She's a big boy! Coming up, I'm going to unbox this beauty and show you exactly how to set it up for both solo and pool mining. You will hear from the Heatbit CEO on whether this is a money printer.
Is it a money printer? Yes.
And if you stick around to the end, I'll share my biased opinion on this device. Also, I've got a discount code for you. Spoiler alert, it's Cheers Joe. But let's find out if you should use it.
This goes here. How do I get into you, sir? Aha! Well, this is very premium packaging, isn't it? Whoa. Oh, baby. This is sick. Is that coming off as well? Mate, you've got some excellent sort of paintballing weaponry armor here. Exterminate. Sorry, the Doctor Who in me came out. Wow, this is a badass looking machine. Wow, wow, wee, wow. Whoa, it's heavier than the old one as well. I can bicep curl it, so that means it's not more than 15 kg. I'm kidding, I'm not that strong. I think it's about 12 kilograms, that. So we also have the power cord. Man, this is exceptionally nice packaging, if I must say so. Like, this would be, you know, you'd be happy to receive some jewelry in here. Clearly, Heatbit have gone for the old premium upgrades. Okay, so cool, we also have power cord, don't need that. We're gonna put the coffin in which the Heatbit lay somewhere else. I'm just gonna plug it in because I don't have an adapter with me. So presumably, this goes somewhere in here. So that goes in there. Wow, gosh, it's a big boy. There's an on switch down here as well. Can you see that on switch? And it's powering up. So now I'm gonna press the on button. Pretty. This is definitely a premium device. It doesn't feel like a lot of the Bitcoin stuff that I see, which is a bit tacky and feels like it's gonna break. This feels very, you know, serious. Just, oh, there's a nice little Bitcoin sign there. That's cute. It's powering up, it's heating. It's not warm yet. Just to give you a sense of the size comparison, here's its little brother, the Heatbit Trio, which I've been using for about a year now. And this is the bigger brother. Interestingly, the bigger brother is actually less thin, less fat rather. So you can see when I compare them like this, that the Maxi is bigger, it's heavier too. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go to the Heatbit app. We're gonna try it out. Move this back out of the way. So we're gonna go to Heatbit. You can see that I currently have 1,000 sats in my Heatbit wallet. I cashed out recently, legend. You can see my old miner called Bruno, trusty Bruno. And now I'm gonna add a new one. In order to connect to the miner, you have three options. You have the Heatbit Maxi, the Heatbit Trio, and the Heatbit Canvas. I'm gonna select the Heatbit Maxi here. I'm gonna tap there. You can see that it's asked me to connect to the Wi-Fi. Use the Wi-Fi password, which I'm gonna have to go and copy. So I'm connecting to Wi-Fi. Once I'm connected to Wi-Fi, it does a bit of setup. Oh, you can see the light is now flickering, suggesting that it is connecting to Wi-Fi. Also, it's warm. It's already warm. So this thing is nicely, yeah, that's hot. Gorgeous. And it's definitely stronger than the previous Heatbit. So I'm connected and I'm mining Bitcoin for heat. The key thing to remember here is this is a heating device. It is not a Bitcoin mining device, although it technically is. So what's going on here? It's currently in heating mode. It's currently mining to Luxor. Luxor is the pool that it's mining to. The performance is 4.4 terahash per second, which is 4 times the amount of the Bitax over there. And the consumption is 1,000 watts. Very good. Apparently my air quality is poor in here. That's kind of funny. It's mining settings, all good. Okay, cool. So that was cool. Now I need to call my miner something. I'm gonna call this Sophie's friend. Why? Because my fiance Sophie gets very cold and this is gonna be her new best friend. I'm sad, I know. Okay, all I can see now is that I have 2 miners, one that's not connected, which is this one, and one that is connected, which is Sophie's friend, which is currently on the heater mode. I have 3 modes there. I have turbo, which is currently on. I have auto, which is this one where you can set the temperature. Oops, sorry. And then I have light, so I can make it a bit cooler if I want to. And then I can also hold it down and it'll go into the eco modes. So now you can see that it's on the air filtration mode, so it's taking out 60 parts per million. Is that right? I don't know. and it goes a lot quieter and there's no heat coming off now. There is also fan mode, I imagine, eco mode, and auto mode. But we want to mine for heat because it's cold here. So I hold it down, it switches over, beautiful. And we're gonna put it on turbo because I want heat, baby. So turbo mode, there's no plus here because it just goes as powerful as it can and it creates heat immediately. Oh, it's so cool, so warm. Okay, and the other thing you want to know is how much money have I made since I started filming 10 seconds ago? Well, I can see that I had 75 sats already. So I'm getting 75 sats every 10 minutes on average, which is about 7 pence. Huge. And I can see the performance, the energy consumption, which has gone up obviously massively, and the savings. Because currently this miner is mining to a pool. I want it to do solo mining. Ah, here we go, switch to solo, beautiful. So the world's biggest lottery that runs every 10 minutes. The chances of me getting the next solo block is 1 in 537. And if you hit it, the whole reward is yours. Wow. And it talks you through the solo mining odds, which are way better than the power mining odds. And this one also generates you heat, which is crazy. That's really cool. I'm gonna try solo mining. So for this, you need to link a Bitcoin wallet. So I'm gonna link that Bitcoin wallet and I'm gonna do it with Blue Wallet on my phone. So I'm gonna copy across the Bitcoin wallet address, allow paste, save. So I'm now mining solo, I believe. Yeah. Am I mining solo? Yes, I'm mining solo. So this device allows you to mine solo and heat your home. Amazing. And it's warm, it's so nice and warm. Wow, that's considerably stronger than the other Heatbit. So should you buy one of these $1,500 heaters that also mine you Bitcoin? Well, if you are going to buy a heater anyway, a space heater such as this, and you're into Bitcoin, then why on earth aren't you buying a Heatbit? Or a competitor, of course. I'm obviously very biased to Heatbit though.
Speaking of which, I jumped on a call to Alex Busarov, the CEO of Heatbit, to ask him why these things exist.
It's the most efficient form of mining because you don't spend any extra energy. This is like the smartest thing to do. To all those big miners, yes, they're big, but what happened a few days ago? Like the hash rate went down by what, 200, 300 exahashes? It's so bloody centralized. By bringing it back home, we're actually decentralizing it as well. It's kind of important.
So my advice would always be, listen, if you, like me for example, the only way that I heat this rather large space is with space heaters.
People often ask, Joe, why not buy a $50 plastic heater and buy Bitcoin with the remainder? Valid question. And you do you, but cheap heaters are crap. This Heatbit is built like premium furniture. And as Alex Gladstein says, it's like a premium Dyson space heater that also mines Bitcoin.
This here feels rather premium, looks cool, and I am part of this Bitcoin mining lottery every 10 minutes. And there is a 1 in less than 500 chance that I could get $300,000 from it. That's pretty cool if you ask me. But should you buy one? Well, it all depends on your needs, all depends on your budget. Maybe you'd rather go for the slightly cheaper version. But for me personally, this thing just looks really cool, feels mega premium. And if you're a maxi, then obviously you need one of these in your life.
In places with expensive power, this is a subsidized heater. You pay for warmth and the Heatbit kicks back roughly 4 to 10% of that bill in Bitcoin. It's not strictly a money printer, but it's a permanent discount coupon for your comfort.
Is it a money printer? Yes. Well, I'm saying yes, thinking about the true form of money, underneath the answer. So
okay, smart.
I'm sure you see.
Now it's earning me nothing, zilch, zero, nada, because I want to mine it solo. I think having this in the corner of the room as a heating device that might at some point get me 3 Bitcoin to my name, that's something that's worth having at home.
So when mining on a pool, you are dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, earning about 75 sats every 10 minutes, or a little bit more if you have the Maxi Pro. But on solo mode, you are lottery ticket cost averaging and effectively rolling the Bitcoin dice every 10 minutes, all while heating your home.
On top of that, this is of course a conversational starter. It's a way of introducing Bitcoin to your friends. It's a way of showing your friends that, hey, a Bitcoin mining device is exactly the same as a Tesla or a Nissan Leaf or a hairdryer. It takes electricity and it turns it into heat. It also helps you to mine some Bitcoin along the way. It's relatively quiet. Oh, so this is me talking normally, blah, blah, blah. I can hear my fridge a little bit and I can definitely hear the Heatbit. And to give you a sense of how loud it is,
this is me talking over the top of the heater. Can you hear it?
This is me talking normally.
This is me whispering. Can you hear the Heatbit? It's definitely there. It's definitely in the background.
But I just wanted to be very open and honest that yes, you will absolutely hear this thing if you are sat next to it. Equally, if it's in the corner of the room, you might just be able to hear it. I'm gonna run mine as a solo miner and see what happens over the next year, and along with my other devices, and we'll see where we are come 2027. If you want one, use my promo code CheersJoe. CheersJoe will give you a whopping 10% discount off of these Heatbits, so take advantage of it. Thank you so much to Heatbit. Oh, and by the way, I have shares in Heatbit, so I want this company to do well. That said, it's still a really cool device, no? And it's also obviously the future of Bitcoin mining. Get one of these if you're into Bitcoin and you need to heat your space. It is the exact same thing as a space heater, but this one gives you Bitcoin. Or in my case, this one gives me a lottery ticket that gives me Bitcoin.